Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you what the sea has been doing to my transom. I'm sure a lot of you guys have the same problem but haven't noticed, or since it's not in plain view you can't really, it's not easy to spot. You see, I had the stainless steel poles around the engines, and I started noticing that that brown bit, which is the wood from the transom, starting to bleed. Slowly I started seeing like marks of that bleeding, and it stains the boat like this one, and it stains the boat. So I was starting to get worried because I wanted to check what was going on inside, and the only way is to take the whole stainless steel protection around the engines off and see what's going on. So as soon as I removed the bolts, the bolts were black, humid, and they smelled really bad, like sewage, and it was even dripping from the inside. And it really smells So this happened 2 days ago. So what I've been doing, I'm putting the fans pointing at that, so it starts drying a little bit, as much as I can really. And today I spoke with the fiberglass man, and he's coming to close this holes off. So what happens is, because of, you see the hole is very close to the bottom, to the deck. So as soon as there's water around here, sometimes, well, it starts going in slowly and it starts rotting the transom. And you don't really see until it's too late. And I started noticing cracks like this, which I need to fix as well, because they let the water in. So you see, it's so close to the, and water is always coming in around this area, and it starts letting the moist in. So what I'm gonna do is close this up and just leave the top screws to all those stainless steel poles, because that one don't really need, because it was strong enough with these top ones. And while I was doing it, I noticed that even the engine mounts, if you notice, there's a little bit of the brown thing. So what I'm doing now, I'm removing every little engine bolt. I've done the top bits, so I'm gonna do all of the four around. So I'm gonna remove, clean, and put, they don't look too bad inside, so I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna do is take all the bolts off, put new sealant, marine silicone sealant, in all the bolts of the engine, just so I feel a little bit safer really. So I do suggest once in a while checking these things, because they start giving you signs, and you just have to, you see here, it's not hard to just remove, put a little bit of silicone and close it back again, because I've done this, I redid the old transom 5 years ago, so it hasn't been that long. So if every three years you do this, I think the transom will last much longer. If you have a fiberglass transom, then you have no problem. But since I have the wood ones, I have this problem, and I have to keep fighting it. I hope that this video is gonna help some of you, and well, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Cheers, bye.